Hello everyone, I am Rohit, your yoga instructor. Today I am thrilled to share with you one of the most valuable pranayama techniques known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Daily practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama offers tremendous health benefits. Let me first tell you the major benefits of practicing this pranayama. Research conducted in 2018 revealed that practicing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama for 30 minutes 5 times a week over a 12-week period significantly reduced stress levels among volunteers. This indicates that Nadi Shodhana Pranayama could be an effective practice for stress reduction. As we know, stress is one of the main reasons people are falling sick or facing the chronic health condition. It's very important that we learn this pranayama and practice this daily to be free from stress and prevent or manage the diseases. Additionally, studies have shown that regular practice of this pranayama can help reduce blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Please stay tuned as I will be explaining the method, significance and benefits of this wonderful yogic practice in detail. Let's dive in. Let us understand the meaning of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama by breaking down each word. Nadi refers to the energy channels in the body through which prana circulates. There are said to be a total of 72,000 channels in the body. When prana flows freely without obstruction, a person is considered to be in perfect health. The second word is Shodhana, which means cleansing. This involves cleansing the blockages in the nadis to ensure the free flow of prana and maintain health. Pranayama has a broader meaning, but for now, let's focus on its definition as the regulation of breathing. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is primarily practiced to cleanse the nadis or energy channels through controlling breath. To do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, your seated posture will be Padmasana or Sukhasana. So first let us try sitting in Padmasana. If not, you can sit in cross-leg position like this also. So those who are having flexibility in the knees and the ankles can definitely sit in Padmasana because that is more conducive for your Nadi Shodhana Pranayama practice. To sit in Padmasana first, extend your legs. Then place your right foot on the left thigh, heel close to the navel, and then left foot on the right thigh. So this will be your position for practicing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Ensure your spine is straight and shoulders are back. Then you need to adopt mudra, that is Nasika mudra for your right hand, where you are bending your middle finger and index finger, and chin mudra for your left hand. Now your left hand remains neutral and you have to place your back of your left wrist on the left knee. Okay. And now we'll start practicing the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. To do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama first, you can close your eyes. Place your right thumb on your right nostril. Slightly exhale. Exhale completely. Now start the inhalation from the left. After complete inhalation, close your left nostril. Release your right nostril and exhale. After complete exhalation, inhale from your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Release the left nostril, exhale. So this makes one round. So I will repeat this. I did 2 cycles for now for the sake of demonstration. Ensure that your breathing is slow and at the same time it is comfortable. The duration of your Nadi Shodhana practice can be 5 minutes initially, and later on you can increase this up to 30 minutes. Now let us know the physiological benefits of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Improved respiratory function. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama involves deep rhythmic breathing which enhances lung capacity and oxygenation of the blood, reduce stress and anxiety. Balancing the flow of energy in the nadis helps to regulate the autonomic nervous system, leading to decreased levels of stress hormones like cortisol and promoting relaxation. Enhance circulation. The controlled breathing technique of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama can improve blood circulation throughout the body, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Better immune function. Reduce stress levels and improved circulation support a stronger immune system, making the body more resilient to illness and disease. Now let us know the psychological benefits of Nadishodhana Pranayama. Increased mental clarity. Balancing the nadis through pranayama practices can clear mental fog and enhance cognitive function, leading to improved focus and concentration. Emotional stability. By regulating the flow of energy, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama helps to balance emotions and promote emotional resilience, reducing mood swings and enhancing overall emotional well-being. Enhance relaxation and sleep. The calming effect of balanced energy flow in the nadis can alleviate insomnia and promote restful sleep, leading to greater feelings of relaxation and rejuvenation. Thank you for watching the complete video. Please do follow us as we keep posting such content here. Also, please do check the description if you are interested to try our online yoga classes. Namaste.